Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your platform so you use the right input. On PC, press ESC or M depending on binding. On PlayStation, press Options. On Xbox, press Menu. Do this now. Press and hold briefly to register the input. Once done, the pause menu appears because the game captures input differently in cutscenes and online modes. Make sure overlays or controllers sleeping will not block the command, resolving that prevents menu lag and misfires. With the pause menu open, you navigate tabs left and right to reach Map, Settings, Online, and Inventory. Use the left stick or arrow keys for fast switching and confirm selections with a /cross or Enter. On consoles, hold the interaction button to access secondary menus for quick actions like vehicle options or session invites. Once you understand which tab holds what, you move faster. Practice switching under low pressure so you'll be efficient during missions or when coordinating online. To finish, press the same button you used to open the pause menu to close it instantly. This toggling prevents accidental navigation. Use the interaction menu for quick access actions like weapons, outfits, and vehicle controls so you avoid reopening the full menu repeatedly. If the menu freezes or fails to register inputs, first try reloading your GTA Online session or switching to single player. If that fails, restart the game. This resolves most input lockups caused by network or overlay conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.